In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust image appearance. Right now, I've opened one AFN image, and as you can see the color bar and the axis here. You can toggle them on and off by clicking these two icons here. So this will turn the color bar on and off, and this will turn the axis on and off. So you can see this is a 2 × 2 micron image. To adjust the image appearance, you can use the color bar. So what you do is just right click the color bar. You can choose the color map, the standard, and you can choose where the color bar is. You can choose what I would like to use the right color map shift. So this, once you click this, you can then drag your mouse along the color bar, so you can see that you can adjust the contrast of specific colors. So you can make some colors represent corresponding to the specific Z scale. So if you read the color bar, you see here it goes from 0 to up to 16 nanometer. So for example, I can make the yellow color to 16, or you can make the green color to 6. So you can determine how we like to see the color contrast on the image. So you can also use, so if you want to do anything else, you have to turn this color map shift off before you can do anything else. So that's a limit in the program. You can also use the color map editor, so this gives you more flexibility in how you determine each color scale. So right now I have, so this is basically the same thing. You can choose a standard color map. For example, I can choose like prison. Oh, this is not really good. So I say I can choose jet. So now the color bar that you see here corresponding to the same color bar that's on the image, and you can use the you can define the colors on specific these values. For example, so if you click here, just add a additional colors, and well, I think that's a lot. So if you can delete those, just click one of these arrows and click delete keys. Right, just delete that. So yeah, you can double click one of these. Yes, and then it pops up the you can choose a specific color for that. For example, I can choose the like purple there, so see the changes. So you can do this way, and as you see that color changes in your color bar as well. So yeah, so this gives you more refined defined way to define your colors. And there are built-in color maps in the system. You can choose under the color map pop-up menu here, and you can choose one of the MATLAB system defined default colors, or you can choose actually include some of the more typical colors that's used in other AFN programs, such as the green color, which is nice, and also the mocha color. So so right now, as you see that the image it's very dim because there is a higher spot in the center. So what you can do is you can use a scaling box. So just right click the images and click draw scaling box. Now you can draw a scaling box. Now what this does is this will average the scale within that scaling box. So it basically ignores the area here, but only use the data inside that scaling box. If this is good, you can try to focus on a specific area. For example, I want to see this DNA better. Just draw a scaling box, and now it lightens that up. So you can also specify the color maps you want. So once you have adjusted your custom color maps, for example, let's see, I adjust the color maps a little bit, make it brighter. So once you have done that, you can save your custom color maps, right? But either you can do it through the color map shift, or use the color map editor. So once you have done that, you can save the color map. So what you do is you click the pop map menu here, and you can choose the custom color map, which means you can use save new color map. Okay, Let me see what I can do. Maybe I can use custom color map. Or you can also save the color map to file, or if you have saved it, you can transfer to another computer and load your custom color map from the file. Let's do this. Let's save to a new color map. Click this and specify new color map name. For example, let's say this is my new Mocha. Click OK. So now I have a new Mocha color map in the list, right? And now I don't want, if you want to use the color map like on another computer, you have to save this to a file. So you click Save to File, and then you can save your custom color map and just specify a name and click Save. And you can also load this from the file. So this is how you do it. Yes, if you don't want this color map anymore, you can delete them. So what you do is you click Manage Custom Color Maps. So now you have the 3 custom color maps: green Mocha and new Mocha. So I don't want the new Mocha. I can click it and then say delete it, or I can also rename it. So now it's gone. So yeah. And there's the custom color map. I'm not sure what it does right now. Oh yeah, so when you click the custom color map, it basically opens the color map editor. Then you can basically then you can just make a new color bar and then click apply. Yeah, I believe it should change the color and scale, but apparently it doesn't. I'll try to fix it later. Alright. So another way to adjust the contrast is to use the there's an image contrast button here. So this it doesn't work well for the AF image, which has very small scale, but it should work well with a typical image that does not go like as low as nanometer scale. So the image scaling is like 1 to 256, and this image contrast tool should work pretty well. You can also use the intensity. So we click intensity here. It gives you the height distribution of the image. It's a Z distribution of the image. So apparently you have a peak around 0. So you can drag some bars and to adjust the appearance. For example, you can design a low color bar and then upper bound bar. So when you play around with the bar, you can see the image will adjust its appearance in real time. Just so you can define the minimum color and the maximum color and what's. So right now I have 0 nanometer would be the minimum color, which is completely dark, right? And the maximum color, which is 10 nanometer right now, which is the white color. So alright, this is so much for adjusting image appearance. If you have questions, leave me a message. Stay tuned.